Hey, welcome to this quick rundown of exactly what Wordplay is, how it works, and why it's the best tool to create high quality, long form AI content in just a few seconds. Let me show you exactly how this works. So first we have this outline mode. Outline mode is a way to put in a descriptive article title and then give it some subsections for the article to cover. And as a quick example, we're going to bring in an article that has been plaguing the world for generations upon generations. Why do hamsters run on wheels? Everyone wants to know it. Let's answer it. So we're going to put in that as the article title. And then we're going to go ahead and paste in our subsection headings, and you can click which language you want this in. Obviously, we wrote this in English, so we're going to keep it in English, and proceed and submit job. Boom. And while we're waiting for that to process, let's go ahead and show you title mode. Title mode is a way for you to paste in different article titles that you've created, and Wordplay will create a new piece of content for every article title you write in here. So for example, let's say we did some keyword research. We found that we want to target these long tail keywords. They have some decent search volume. So we're going to write an article title based on that keyword with some more info and give it some intent to that article. So we want to make sure that the article is descriptive and has intent behind it. So let's paste these in. And after that, we could put a project name, call tracking articles, and some internal notes if we want to. And you'll see 3 articles, estimated 3,000 words, and we can click submit and go. And you can do this for as many article titles as you want. And the benefit here is that you can bulk create all of the content that you need, import it into your WordPress site with our WordPress plugin, and then schedule that out with the plugin as well, so that all of your content gets stripped out over time. And then also you can have your writer or assistant or whatever go and just double check everything, make sure it all looks good. But it makes the content creation part of your job so much faster, so much faster. So if you're considering this, I think that's the best way to use this tool. You can use it for a variety of different things, but that is essentially how Wordplay works. Now, to bring this full circle, let's check out this hamster article again. You can see 1,300 words of pure goodness, and all just coming from a simple outline that we created. So this is a really powerful tool. I hope you adopt it in your business. Thanks for watching. See you soon.